Hi guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm talking about one of my favorite things. I have always loved goal setting and making vision boards and resetting because I feel like it's so motivating and so inspiring. I love it. And what better time to do all of that than for the new year? I started doing this every year in 2020. Before then, I would just do like resolutions and things like that. But I've found that really setting specific goals for myself is so important to accomplishing those goals. So the first thing we're gonna do is set some goals for ourselves. I'm gonna journal for a bit, and I'm also gonna put the prompts that I'm using on the screen in case you guys wanna use them too.
Okay, here's good vibes only.
Okay, so now that I've been journaling for a little bit, I'm gonna create one of the goal vision boards. I like to create one with all of my goals and then one with all of the photos because I like to separate really tangible goals that are sort of broken down. And these are goals that are measurable. So for example, instead of putting, I wanna have a clean room, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna clean my room for 15 minutes every night before bed. And that way it'll never get to that messy room state. It'll just sort of consistently stay clean. Or instead of saying, I wanna be healthier, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna try new healthy recipes. Something like that where it's measurable and it's tangible. And then later I'll focus on the dream life vision board that has all the Pinterest photos and aesthetic stuff. I'm gonna use a big sheet of paper just because last year I used printer paper and I don't know, it was kind of small. And when you make this one, really think about things that are gonna improve your life. So if there's habits right now that you don't really love, just think about how you could replace those habits. I think it's also really important to prioritize goals that aren't necessarily physical, but might have more to do with your mental health and your mindset. This is something I wish I did more of last year, but that's okay because we can do it this year. I'm gonna put up the categories on the screen so you guys can follow along if you would like to. Also, you can be really honest with yourself here because no one else has to see it but you. So if you have some crazy goals that you want to include them. Even if you're like, oh my gosh, this is too big of a goal. No goal is too big that you can't accomplish it. So make sure you put it on your list, even if it might be a little bit scary. I'm rooting for you and you got this. That just put me in the best mood. But basically here are my goals. Comment your favorite goal that you set for yourself down below. My favorite one that I wrote is, no barrier is strong enough to withstand my determination as long as I choose to believe in my potential to succeed. And that's just sort of like an affirmation and something I want to live by next year. I saved the best part for last. Literally half of the things that I put on my photo vision board last year came true. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I made that, I was feeling very delusional. I was like, this will never happen. Wouldn't it be crazy if? And when I tell you guys that it actually happened, I think 3 different times last year, I burst into tears because of how my life was lining up with the vision board I made. And it's not even that crazy to think about because like when you think of law of attraction, right? What you put out, you attract. So like obviously I was putting that out into the universe and I was like, hey, here's what I really want. Here are my goals. And they actually happened. So let's take a trip down memory lane together. I've got my computer here. I'm just gonna take a look at last year's vision board and I'll put up the photos on the screen. That's actually really weird. Literally the nail inspo pic that I put on this board in December, I ended up getting as my most recent like set of acrylics. That's really funny. I put a really organized desk drawer picture and I'm not even kidding you guys, like my desk drawers are the most organized they have ever been. I have all of those little organizer containers. Everything's categorized. I'm really proud of myself for that one because I'm not gonna lie, I probably put that off for longer than I should have, but not anymore. The first picture on this board is a UCLA acceptance. That's crazy. I haven't really talked about this online, but going to UCLA has been my dream since 7th grade and it has a low acceptance rate, so I was never sure, you know, like I think it was one of those things that I wanted so badly that I never really imagined that it might actually become a reality. It was just this big dream of mine for so long, and the way that it's the first thing on my vision board is actually crazy. One of the college advisors actually told me, she said that because it's such a low chance to get in, you know, it probably wouldn't happen. Like, statistically speaking, it probably wouldn't. But that being said, this is your sign that if someone says that you can't do something, you can't. It really makes me feel like all of those nights that I stayed up studying late and said no to like fun plans to focus on my school, it really makes me feel like it was all worth it. So this is your sign. Don't give up on your dreams. You are deserving of your dream life, because if someone can do it, you can do it. This one, crazy. This one's just, oh. So I added this picture of a fashion show to my Pinterest board, and it ended up being my prom dress. And I ended up getting to work with the brand and create content for the brand in this dress that I saved to my Pinterest board. I just love like evening gowns and dresses, so I have a lot of those pictures on this board. And I ended up getting to walk in my first fashion show ever, which low-key I feel like I accidentally manifested because of all of the fashion show evening gown dresses, which the whole fashion show is prom themed. So that was really amazing. And then just some quotes that I like to add. I always like to add those like quotes to my vision boards because it just reminds me like this is what I'm living by, this is my mindset, this is the energy that I'm putting out there. So I'm just gonna read a couple that I had. Said, endless opportunities fall into my lap, it's already yours. Oh, this one I really love because it's like, imagine that feeling of already having reached your goal and use that to motivate you. It's now time for my favorite part of the 2024 reset, which is creating the photo vision board. Pinterest is one of my favorite things in the entire world. So I'm gonna go scroll for a bit. I'm gonna use all the categories that I created my goals list with as sort of inspiration of what I'm gonna search up on Pinterest. And when you're picking your images, really try to visualize how you want your life to look. And no dream is too big or too crazy to go on this board. This is your chance to be super creative and just make it your aesthetic. Literally, there's so many photos I've taken in my own life that look exactly like the pins that I saved to these boards. I really believe that manifestation is real and that you can create your dream life. So these images are exactly how we're gonna do that. When you pick out your photos, really think like, okay, what would my dream version of myself look like? I kind of look at myself from like a third person point of view and be like, okay, what do I want Charlotte's life to look like? What do I want her style to be? What do I want her mindset to be? Where do I want her to travel? Everything like that. Kind of just think about if you could write out your dream life, what would it be and what would it look like? I'm gonna use this canvas, so once I print out my images, I'm just gonna like glue them on here and cut them up and make them look really cute. And then it's gonna go on my wall. But if you don't wanna like make a physical board, you could do a digital version, or you could make one of those really cute like laptop screensavers or phone screensavers. It's honestly up to you. So yeah, let's get to Pinterest. I got this laptop case for Christmas, and why is it literally the exact same color as me? And that's actually crazy. Oh my god, and my nails. Anyways, let's go. There's something so therapeutic about scrolling on Pinterest. Like, it makes me feel 10 times more productive about everything. Also, if you're like me and delusional, I'm rooting for all of your crazy goals that you're putting on this board, because this is gonna be our year. Okay, so I just printed out all of the pictures, and I kind of tried to size them differently so that I would have some bigger ones to sort of fill up the background, and then some smaller detailed ones that I can layer on top and make it really cute. So I'm gonna cut these out, and then I'm gonna arrange the design. It's done. Here is my finished vision board. Okay, I'm gonna go through the pictures and sort of like explain the thought process behind it to hopefully give you guys some inspiration. I added a picture of the mountains because I love to ski. Lucky girl, because lucky girl mindset. It's your year. This is kind of like fashion inspo. All of these, oh, this is hair inspo because so cute. And then a goal of mine is to like always have fresh flowers in the house and just always like buy myself flowers, because I feel like it's a really small thing that you can do for yourself. And I know for me, it makes me so much happier to walk into a house or my dorm and to see fresh flowers. So be the woman you would look up to. This I think is so huge. Like, I aspire. This one, okay, this one I'm getting excited for summer, even though it's literally in months. Last summer I hosted a girls' night, which kind of looked similar to this. Like, we all wore little dresses and brought cute little food. So this is like my inspo for girls' night that I want to do again this summer with all my friends. Piano, because I want to get better at piano. This is just vibes, like romanticizing your life type of vibes. And then this is a picture of like some high fashion dresses, because I always like to learn more about fashion. Like, it's just fun. I think exploring style is something that is kind of like an investment to your whole life, because getting to know what you like and what you feel confident in is always a great use of time. So yeah, that's my vision board for 2024. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and I hope that it was inspiring. If you stayed to the end, comment your New Year's resolutions or goals for 2024. I want to go through and read them, and I hype you guys up because I'm rooting for you this year. I hope you have the best year of your life. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!